Hello everyone, and welcome back to Optima, home of the Optima APOS series product group. In this video, we're going to have a closer look at the discount maintenance module, right after this. This module allows you to define the types of discounts allowed on your GoPause systems. Enter the caption and enter the rate of your discount. The rate may be a discount percentage or a dollar amount. If the amount discount option is selected, the value entered will be treated as an amount. Otherwise, it will be treated as a percentage. Let's have a closer look at each of the options available when setting up your discounts. Surcharge. You may set up a discount and surcharges in this module. Select this option if the rate or amount is a surcharge and should be added to the price. If this option is not enabled, the entry will be treated as a discount and reduce the price. Amount discount. As mentioned, select this option if this is an amount discount or surcharge and not a percentage discount or surcharge. For fixed discount, select this option if this is a fixed percentage or amount which cannot be overridden. If this option is enabled, attempting to override the percentage or amount and pressing the discount key will result in an invalid sequence message. If this option is disabled, users are allowed to enter a percentage or amount before pressing the discount key to override the actual discount applied. Item discount. Select this option if this discount is to be linked to the last item entered. If this option is enabled, pressing the discount key will result in an invalid sequence message if there are no current transaction entries or the last entry was not an item sale. If this option and the subtotal discount options are both disabled, pressing the discount key will always result in an invalid sequence message. If this option is enabled and the last entry made was an item sale, multiple item discounts may be applied to the same item. For subtotal discount, select this option if the discount should be applied to the calculated subtotal. If this option is enabled, pressing the discount key will result in an invalid sequence message if the last entry was not a subtotal. If this option and the item discount option are both not enabled, pressing the discount key will always result in an invalid sequence. If this option, subtotal discount, is enabled and the last entry made was a subtotal, multiple subtotal discounts may be applied to the same subtotal. Discounts should either be set as item discounts, subtotal discounts, or both. Print percentage. Select this option if the discount rate should be displayed and printed on the receipt as a percentage. For manager required, select this option if the user requires managerial rights. If the user does not have managerial rights, pressing the discount key will display a manager required message. Managerial override may be accessed by pressing the user key and temporarily logging in as a user with managerial rights. MO will be displayed at the top of the register to indicate managerial override mode. The register will return to regular mode once the entry has been completed or the clear key has been pressed. Select the printer you wish this discount to be printed on and select the font to use when printing. You may also enable or disable any of the defined taxes for the discount or surcharge. If enabled, the applicable tax will be calculated and included in the discount or surcharge. Well, that's it for discounts, but stay tuned and in the next video, we will take a look at taxes.
why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.